Maintaining your car can seem like a daunting task. After all, there's so much to look for and inspect during your car maintenance check. However, by performing routine car maintenance, you can save yourself some big bucks down the line and even extend the life of your car. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. When shopping for a new car, you should always take into account if the car is reliable. However, if you're purchasing a used car, then it's best to opt for a newer model. Also, pay attention to where you park. During those sunny days, you'll want to park under some shade if you're out and about. And when you go home at the end of work, try to make some space in your garage to park. This will help preserve the paint on your car, and you won't have to deal with a new paint job. Also, you can try to drive less. This will allow you to go longer in between auto services, and try to carpool with friends and family when you can. Certain areas of your car are prone to get damaged easier. So next time you visit our dealership, ask for a clear plastic guard that will protect your car from rust and rock chips. Keep an extra set of wheels in your garage and trunk. Keeping a different set of seasonal tires in your garage allows your tires to last longer. When winter comes, you can just switch it out and save your all-purpose tires for when winter is over. Washing and waxing your car regularly can work wonders. This will protect the paint, get rid of dirt, make your car shiny, and you can get rid of random scratches that creep their way there. Want more tips? Visit Toyota of Clermont at 16851 State Road 50.